Toy review. Hi everyone, I've been playing with the furReal Rocket from Hasbro. I've been playing with it all week and it's been really fun. And I'm about to do an unboxing, but I don't know it yet. Please Hasbro, send me a surprise gift!
Hey, check me out. What's that? What's that?
I think it's a parrot. Oh, it is! I'll show it to you now. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the furReal Rocket, the show-biz from Hasbro. Oh, it's so fluffy. It performs 3 cool song and dance routines. Laugh at his wacky jokes. Pet his cheek for lovable response. Okie dokie, I'm doing that.
Okay.
What's up?
Yeah. Don't need this. Hacha. Bed is free. Here's a bed.
I love you.
Soft.
Hey, check me out.
It's got some instructions here. Well, that's instructions. Press speak to record. So, I hope you're having a great day today, Riley. That's what I'm talking about, bird.
Hey, wanna hear a joke? What type of music are balloons afraid of? Pop music.
Pop music. Did you guys hear that joke?
Say it.
You were cute, Riley.
You are cute, Riley. You are cute, Riley.
Now, if I dance in front of him, he should do it.
Wow,
Everybody
that's
dance.
amazing. To the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the right. Wings up, put your wings up. Wings up, wings down. Wings up, wings down. Wings up, wings down. Do the wing swing. Do the wing swing. Drop the mic. That's right, drop the mic. You're my best friend. Hilarious.
Nah, it's not scared. And now it's going into the magic tree.
Music.
And then, you want him to reappear? I can hear something. Maybe let's turn him around again.
Wow, that's amazing.
He even thinks it's amazing.
No way.
No way! Let's fly to the sky! Let's fly to the sky!
Ooh, pardon me.
No, he farted. Why did the pirate... What's the pirate's favorite... Oh, no, mine.
What's the pirate's favorite ornament?
Okay, start again. It's suitable for people
Music.
for a plus. Woo! Thanks for joining me on Toy Review. Bye. Say bye, Birdie. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching me on Toy Review. Then you must leave.
Get your kids their very own furReal pet. Click here. Click here to never miss a new video. To watch another furReal video, click here.